Hello students, good morning to all of you. Again, I am Deepak Kumar Dusri of Computer Science teacher from Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Navada branch. Today I am going to discuss the first chapter of class 7 of 4th lecture, that is binary addition. Binary addition. So student, you know the very well how do the addition in the decimal number system. That means you have read in the class 4, 5, 6, 7, class 3, 2 also. But that type of addition is your decimal addition. But here I am going to discuss the binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication, binary division. That 4 type of the operations are called as binary operation. Binary operations. In the binary operations, it contains 4 types. One is a binary addition. Second one, binary subtraction. Third one, binary multiplication. And the last one, binary division. So student, first of all, I discuss the binary addition. Then how do the addition between the binary digits of a number. So let's discuss by the example first. For example, one is before doing the addition, we follow some rules for the addition of binary number system. You remember this one? In case of 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Then 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. And 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, comma 1. That 1 is your carry forward to next digit. So before doing the addition, you have to know these 4 rules. 0 plus 0 is a 0. 0 plus 1 is a 1. 1 plus 0 is a 1. And this is very important. This one is very important. 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 carry with 1. And that carry forward 1 will be added into the next digit. Now I will show by the examples. Then how do the binary addition? You just see the examples and you try at your home. So for example, 1, 0, 0, 1. Then 1, 0, 0, 1. We just do the addition. So this is a binary number, this is also binary number. Then how do the addition? You see, 1 plus 1, that means you see here, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. That means this one is your carry. This one is your carry. That means again you do that, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. Then 0 plus 0, you see here, 0 plus 0 is your 0. Then 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. So this is my final result between the addition between these two numbers. That means we check whether this answer is mine correct or wrong. See, first of all, 1, 0, 0, 1. I want to convert into the decimal number. Then how to convert? 1 into 2 to the power 0 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 3. That means 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 is equal to 9. That means the binary, this one binary, the decimal of this number is your 9. This is also same, is your 9. That means when you add between 9 plus 9, so in the decimal case it is your 18. You check whether this one, the 18 is coming or not. So 1 0 0 1 0. You check that one. So 0 into 2 to the power 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power 4. That means this one is a 0, so 0 plus 2 to the power 1 is a 2 plus 0 into something 0 plus again 0 into something 0 plus 2 to the power 4 is your 16. After adding that one, this one is a 8. You see my addition between two number, decimal number 9 plus 9 18, and you check see here is also 18. That means my answer is correct. So in this way we can do the binary addition. So you solve at your home and giving the homework. That one is your what? 1 0 1 0 plus 1 0 1 1. Second one 1 1 0 1 plus 0 1 1 1. So in this way I have completed the first one of the binary operation, binary addition. In the next video I will start the binary subtraction. That's it, student. Thank you.